that I'm going to share to you guys because today we're at INTOSAN Resort Water Park. But before you watch the whole video guys, please don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you will get updated for the next upload. Another getaway for friends, families, and loved ones, your dear friends. So I am going to show you around the water park. So if you're ready, because I am ready, let's begin! So these are the rooms, guys. As you get inside, there are rooms here, and there are also rooms inside the resort. There. So we are going inside. So we are here inside the resort. Yes, Ethel with me. And we are going to show you what's inside the water park resort here in INTOSAN. A lot of splash here. So these are some of the rooms inside. We also have cottages or rooms here. So aside from the rooms outside or by the entrance, we also got rooms here. That is just near the pool. So the pool from here connects the pool there. Let's try to swim from here up to there. See you!
You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea. Because we are the medicinally better than trees. You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. You know you're in love when you come
So this is it, guys. So this is their mega splash. Let's wait that it will splash like tons of water. There's the slide also over here. Yeah, it's a long slide. You can go up there. Yay! And they also have got like this water park for kids. Oh, so the kids really love this. It's like knee deep. So it's really good for kids, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for the INTOSAN. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming. Thank you so much. Playground beside the cottages here inside. Playgrounds for kids.